UF toilet seat cover press. All main castings are made of high-quality castings from large China foundries factory and insist on using FCD50 ductile castings, which have the characteristics of high strength, high hardness, and no deformation. The motor part uses a high-efficiency motor, which will not reduce performance due to long use time. Pump part a high-pressure vane pump using SQP type non-PV pump. The working pressure is 250 kg per square centimeter, which is not ordinary PV pump, and the service life is longer. Solenoid valve and oil pressure valve. It adopts imported precision oil pressure valve made in Taiwan, which has long service life and high pressure and high temperature resistance. All the spare parts we use are selected after long-term rigorous testing, as shown in the video provided last time. Our company uses an electronic ruler to control the electronic control system and precision oil circuit. Although the cost is high, the accuracy is very high. The positioning accuracy is accurate each time, and the deflation distance can be precisely controlled, thereby improving product yield and stable quality. The improvement of the oil circuit system accelerates the mold opening and closing speed of the machine. The imported oil pressure detector can accurately judge the oil pressure value to achieve accurate and stable pressure. Shanghai Channel Machinery Co., Ltd.